Have you ever opened your eyes after what felt like a perfect night's sleep? But instead of feeling rested, your body feels heavy, your head foggy, and your energy gone before breakfast? You think, I slept 8 hours. Why am I still so tired? That's the mystery we're solving today, because millions of people over 65 do everything right at night, but still wake up exhausted. So what's really happening while you sleep? You might believe that sleep is one long, peaceful stretch, but here's the truth. Your body never stays still. Every 90 minutes it moves through a cycle, from light sleep to deep sleep and back again. Your brain repairs, your heart slows down, your muscles rebuild, and your memory resets. But there's a catch. If you wake up in the middle of one of those 90-minute cycles, your body feels like it's been yanked out of a dream, dizzy, tired, and half awake all day. So you might be sleeping 8 hours, but those 8 hours could be cutting right through your sleep cycles. So even with more hours, you wake up feeling worse. That's the hidden mistake most people never realize they're making. Let's play detective for a moment. Your body runs like a clock, but not just any clock. It's guided by light, hormones, and timing. Here's your first clue. Your brain's natural sleep hormone, melatonin, is like a nighttime switch. When it's dark, it rises and whispers, time to rest. When it's bright, it falls and says, wake up. But there's something around you that confuses that signal every night, something small, glowing, and maybe right beside your pillow. It tricks your brain into thinking it's noon when it's really midnight. Any guesses? Hold on to that thought. We'll get back to it soon. Now, let's talk timing. If you fall asleep at 10:30 p.m. and set your alarm for 6:30 a.m., that's exactly 8 hours. Sounds good, right? But 8 hours equals 5.3 sleep cycles, so you're waking up halfway through one. Your body's still deep inside the repair zone, but the alarm pulls you out too soon, so your brain thinks it's been robbed of rest. Instead of feeling refreshed, you drag through the day, yawning, craving sugar, and wondering what went wrong. So how can you make your sleep cycles work for you instead of against you? Here's another clue. It's not about sleeping longer. It's about waking up at the right time. People who wake up naturally, without an alarm, usually finish a cycle before opening their eyes. That's why they feel lighter and more alert, even if they slept less than 8 hours. But if you depend on a strict alarm, or you scroll your phone before bed, your cycles get scrambled, so your brain never reaches deep restorative sleep. Before I reveal exactly what's causing your exhaustion, pause for a second. Think about your own routine. Do you ever wake up tired, even after a full night? If you said yes, hit the like button or comment, sleep reset. You might help someone else realize they're making the same mistake. Ready for the answer? Here it is. The reason you wake up tired after 8 hours is simple. You're waking up in the middle of a sleep cycle. Your body follows a rhythm, about 90 minutes per cycle, but most people set alarms that interrupt it, so they never let their brain complete its natural rest. The fix is easier than you think. Go to bed and wake up in multiples of 90 minutes, for example, 6 hours, 7.5 hours, or 9 hours. Try adjusting your alarm by just 30 minutes, and you might wake up feeling completely different. Now remember the glowing clue we mentioned earlier? That blue light beside your bed, the one keeping your melatonin low? That's what we'll uncover next, because even perfect sleep timing can't save you if your brain still thinks it's daytime. So before you close your eyes tonight, ask yourself, is my body tired, or is my sleep cycle just out of sync? If you appreciate Dr. Eric Berg's valuable knowledge like we do, then you'll want to see this. We've compiled a special edition YouTube video focusing on how to prevent cataract surgery and slow down progression. We handpicked the top 5 tips to prevent and reverse cataracts, bringing together expertise from both Dr. Berg and Dr. Ken Berry. You can find the video by clicking on the image on the left.